SimConnect, seamless integration, real-time feedback, unlimited potential. SimConnect is the compact, integrated hub that optimizes the REALITi 360 ecosystem. The SimConnect interface features integrated Wi-Fi and a multi-power port design, seamlessly compatible with Simoxi SpO₂ finger sensors and SimCap ventilation flow sensors for adult, pediatric, and neonatal simulation. Connect Simoxi and SimCap to the SimConnect interface for your airway setup. The SimConnect interface mounts securely at the back of the REALITi hard case, ensuring a clean and organized installation. Connect the monitor tablet using the angled USB-C cable to one of the USB-C outputs for reliable power. SimConnect can be powered by a portable power bank for mobile training or by a wall outlet for continuous operation. Simply swipe from right to left to open the Bluetooth connection panel on the REALITi monitor. Once connected, select SimConnect mode on the controller to activate the system. Attach Simoxi SpO₂ finger sensor. It detects placement and instantly activates SpO₂ values and waveforms on REALITi. And also SimCap captures bag valve mask ventilations in real time, displaying accurate inspiratory tidal volume and respiratory rate. It automatically triggers the ETCO2 waveform, making it essential for training effective ventilation techniques. Available in adult, pediatric, and neonatal sizes to support all patient simulation. SimConnect, unlock the full potential of REALITi.